Sapporo Ichiban soy sauce ramen transforms into a rich and flavorful bowl with just garlic and kimchi. The savory depth of shoyu blends with the punch of garlic for a restaurant-style taste. Simple to prepare yet bold in flavor, this dish turns an everyday ramen into something special. Let's make this together and enjoy every last drop of the soup.